Hello guys, welcome back to the Planet V. We're just waiting for our turn to enter the Plitvice Lakes.
The magic Plitvice Lakes.
We bought a ticket for 11 o'clock, but we arrived at around 10:15. The girl said we will only be allowed to enter 15 minutes before.
Yeah, because it's Sunday, the weather is beautiful, so that's why I think quite many people go to enjoy coming spring here in Croatia.
after taking the boat, guys, we are moving up to the upper lakes. We're lucky because they opened this part 2 days ago. Look at that. It's not as crowded as the lower lakes. And there's a huge waterfall waiting up there. We're almost at the last part of Tour C,
Yes.
and we're going to the station 3, no? Station
Yes,
3
you have to get
to get a train back
Train.
to station 1.
It's amazing experience.
Yeah.
And I think it's the best season to come here. Early spring when there are still no leaves.
Yeah, you could see almost everything. Can you imagine if you come in summer or in spring, like really springtime, then leaves are covering parts of the
And it's not
waterfall.
so crowded, that's good.
Yeah.
Also advantage.
We're walking, going to station 1. By the way, if you're taking, they call it program C, your endpoint is station 3, wherein you'll take the train going to station 1. We went out right away in station 2.
Because the train made a stop.
Yeah.
But it was not announced that this is final station.
So we're gonna walk for around 40 minutes more going to station 1, but we're lucky because we have a nice weather. So if you don't want to walk that long, stay in the train. Thank you guys for joining our trip here in Plitvice Lakes. When you visit this place, we highly recommend Program C, which will take you around 4 to 6 hours depending on how fast you are walking. And this is really a nice program. Like, it's like Program H, but the thing with Program C is the route always faces the lakes.
Yes, and you will always have beautiful views in front of you.
Yeah, turquoise waters, blue waters, like what you've seen in this vlog. So we highly recommend visit this one if you have a chance. Once again, thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and post your comments. And we're gonna see you on our next
Trip, but now we love Croatia.
Croatia. Truly Croatia. Bye.